Okay, hello everyone. So we will discuss the overview of cost management and strategy. It is said that the growing pressures of global competition, trade wars among countries, technological innovation, and changes in business processes have made cost management more important, critical, and dynamic than ever before. Ibig sabihin daw, ang dami na nangyayari sa bansa ngayon. So, medyo matindi na yung global competition because of the advent of the technology. So, for example, dito sa Pilipinas, hindi lang yung mga Filipino products ang nagko-compete sa isa't isa, kundi pati mga international products. Affected din tayo ng mga trade wars among countries. And of course, isa sa mga main reason nun is yung mga technological innovation. Kaya nagkaroon sila ng epekto sa business processes. So, ang nangyari, naging epekto niya, nagkaroon ng necessity sa management ng mga companies na mag-develop ng mga strategies kung paano ba sila magiging mas competitive kaysa sa kanilang mga competitors. So businesses or business managers must think and act competitively, and doing so requires strategy. So hindi naman pwedeng mag-isip lang ng strategy ang isang company without considering a lot of factors. So that's where strategic cost management becomes important in company management. First, let's define strategy. So strategy is defined as the set of policies, procedures, and approaches to business that produce long-term success. Yung ginagawa daw ng mga company para ma-ensure ang long-term success. So pag sinabi natin strategy, mas long-term ang kanyang focus. And ano naman ang strategic management? So it involves the development of a sustainable, competitive position. Since strategy focuses on the long term, kailangan nating mag-set ng competitive position na kaya ng company na i-sustain. So ibig sabihin, mag-iisip tayo ng strategies na kaya nating panindigan. So in today's business environment, the development and use of information, especially cost management, is a critical factor in the effective management of a firm or organization. So ang strategic cost management involves the development of cost management information to facilitate the principal management function, which is strategic management. So ang strategic management is the function of the management of a company. So ano ba ang sinasabing cost management information? It is the information that the manager needs to effectively manage the firm, profit-oriented as well as not-for-profit organization. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kapag sinabing cost management information, para lang yan sa mga profit-oriented. Kahit not-for-profit organizations, importante din sa kanila yung strategic cost management. And ang strategic cost management does not only focus about financial information. Meron tayong mga non-financial information na considered important, like productivity, quality, and other factors. So for example, syempre, to ensure quality products, kailangan highly skilled ang iyong employees. So, pwede mag-decide kailangan isipin ng company, anong pipiliin mo? Murang pasahod, pero yung quality hindi masyadong at par or same lang sa iyong competitors, o mas malaki yung pasahod, pero meron kang competitive advantage. So, isa yan sa mga decisions na makakatulong ang strategic cost management para sa ma-improve ang business processes and competitive position ng company. Okay, kapag sinabi naman natin cost management, it is the practice of accounting in which the accountant develops and uses the cost management information. So those are the basic terms that we need for the better understanding of cost or strategic cost management. Next, let's discuss the management accountant's role in strategic cost management. Ano ba ang ginagawa ng management accountant in relation sa strategic cost management? So, cost management nga daw is defined as the practice of accounting in which the accountant develops and uses cost management information. So, ginagamit ng accountant yung mga information about the costs and expenditures of the company, kaya nga siya tinawag na cost accounting. So, this area of accountancy practice is performed by management accountants. Okay, so isa sa mga main function nga is cost management. So it is the practice of accounting in which the accountant develops and uses cost management information. Ang gumagawa, management accountants. They are the accounting professionals who develop and analyze cost management information and other accounting information. So, sabi, yung management accountants, nagde-develop and nag-a-analyze ng cost management information. Next, management accounting. So, management accounting involves the application of appropriate techniques and concepts to economic data to assist management in establishing plans to attain company objectives. So, yung management accounting daw, siya yung nagde-decide kung ano ba yung mga tamang technique na gamitin ng company para mas ma-achieve ang kanilang company objectives. Of course, using mga cost data. So, it is also defined as the process of identification, measurement, accumulation, analysis, preparation, interpretation, and communication of financial information. So, parang i-collect ng management accountant ang lahat ng mga financial information and gagamitin niya yon to help the management decide kung ano man ba yung kailangan nilang pagdesisyon. It is also used, of course, sa planning, pag-evaluate ng mga activities kung effective ba and control activities within an organization. Of course, kasama dyan ang paggawa ng financial reports. Okay, na pwede din gamitin ng external users. So, ang management accountant, kasama ang cost accountant, they are concerned with providing information to managers, including people inside and outside the organization, who direct and control the operations. So, nakafocus yung management accounting sa pagbigay ng advice sa mga taong directly involved sa operations ng company. So, kasama sa mga reports na ginagawa nila, how well daw managers and business units have performed. So, pwedeng ipa-analyze sa management accountant. Aling branch ba natin ang pinaka malaki ang benta? Aling branch tayo pinakamalaki ang kita or pinakamalaki ang loss? And ano ang pwede nating gawin? Kasama din sa mga reports ng management accountant, mga updates. Ayan, minsan may mga quarterly report, analysis of business situations or opportunities, pati opportunities kasama, and analytical reports that are needed to investigate specific problems. So kung merong specific problems ang company, halimbawa kailangan nila mag-decide between make or buy, gagawin ba nila yung product or outsource na lang. So management accountants play a key role in that business decision making. Okay, so yung ano natin, management accounting, concerned siya with providing information sa ating internal managers. So again, sa internal managers sila. Kasi sila yung in charge sa pag-plan and control ng operations. Kasi more on, di ba nalaman naman natin sa ating cost accounting, the management accounting is focuses more on the internal decision making of the company. So generally, ang roles ng management accountants kasama dyan, scorekeeping or data accumulation. So, ibig sabihin nito, yun, nagmo-monitor ka ng data about the company. And it enables both internal and external parties to evaluate organizational performance and position. So, although ang pinaka-main user ng management accounting information are internal users, pwede din yung gamitin ng external parties. Another is interpreting and reporting of information. So, ito na yung makakatulong sa manager para maka-focus sila sa operations ng company and improve yung inefficiencies. Another is problem solving or quantification of the possible merits of possible courses of action. So, pwedeng i-present ng management accountant sa managers yung pros and cons ng mga options nila. So, halimbawa, kailangan mag-decide ng management, halimbawa may vacant position na vice president, mag-hire ba sila from outside to gain additional knowledge and for fresh perspective sa company management or mag-hire na or magpo-promote na lang from within. Pwede din yung sabi ko kanina na make or buy decision. And ang problem solving, this is most commonly associated with non-recurring decisions. Kasi nga siya, problem solving. So, kapag may problem or may specific situation na kailangan i-solve, yan, papasok din dyan ang management accountant. So, those are the general rules ng management accountant. Specifically naman, the management accountant provides a system which allows management to receive the necessary information used in performing its administrative functions. So, ito yung mga functions ng management na nakag-a-assist ang management accountant. So, una dyan, yung planning, yung setting ng goals ng company, controlling, okay, kasama dito yung pag-evaluate kung yung actual performance ba conforms with planned goals, and syempre yung decision making. Okay, according naman sa American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, ito naman daw yung extension ng management accounting practice. Ayan, strategic management. Kasi, yun nga, tumutulong yung management accountant to improve the strategies or manage the strategies of a company. Performance management, because they develop the practice of business decision-making and managing the performance of the organization. So, related to dun sa controlling function ng management. And syempre, risk management. So, nakakatulong sila para ma-identify and ma-measure ang mga possible risks na pwedeng kaharapin ng isang organization. Okay, here's a summary ng comparison of management accounting and financial accounting. Okay, so to summarize, strategic cost management plays a crucial role in business by enabling companies to achieve competitive advantage and improve profitability through cost analysis, budgeting, and forecasting, ultimately leading to better decision-making and strategic. Okay, that's all. Thank you.